So I intentionally didn't give you any fancy stuff that day. Why? Because I wanted you to type in MongoD and then Mongo and then type in all the commands if you have successfully done it, right? So what we are going to show you now is we are going to show how you can install a nice beautiful UI for MongoDB. So please go to the browser, no need of virtual machine. Type Robo3T, ROBO3T, and press enter. Robo3T, formerly Robo Mongo, like that this one will come. And click on the right side one, okay? Download Robo3T. Do not go for the studio, click on download Robo3T. Windows will be given the equivalent exe file or MSI file, whereas Mac will get a DMG file, correct? And once that file is downloaded, please double click and follow all the default instructions and install. Yeah, that's it. Exe file for Windows, DMG for Mac. Stop.
Robo3T.
Robo3T application.
Correct.
3T?
Double click that
3T?
icon, Robo3T. Okay, whenever you are getting that message, what you need to do, this is the second time you are getting that message, where you will go. Security and preferences and general tab. How will you go to security and preferences? Don't move your mouse here and there. Go to the spotlight and then just type SCC. Automatically it will fill up security and preferences and press enter. In the general tab below you will see a lock symbol. Unlock it and then make sure that it is permitted. Oh, they're asking you this.
Yeah.
Just give some.
Accessibility, no?
Credentials, right? Like first name and
Yeah. Give your password. Just give some email ID. Yeah, that's all.
And
I don't think that they will give you some.
where over here? General?
I told
General?
you general tab. And did you see below something message came in for automatically?
But it was black.
And then
right.
open anyway. And now you lock that symbol. Click open. And now you lock that symbol. That is what you need to do whenever you get that message. Mac will automatically identify that and will show you in that security preferences screen. And I have installed that in about 2016 or something, and at that time the name was Robo Mongo, as you can see. Okay, they changed the name and they called it as Robo3T. Okay, so Robo3T for your company, Claudia, it is available on the marketplace. You can just install it freely. Since it is recording, I'm not telling the name. All right, what you need to do after you are installing, okay, don't touch this particular screen. What I want you to do is go to your command prompt and start MongoD as you have done in the last class. How? Go to the MongoDB directory, and in for you it is in program files and all, and then go to the CD wherever you have installed the MongoDB server. For me it is in MongoDB-221. I told you to install an older version. And then how will you start it? Go to the CD bin and /MongoD, and it will start and you will get that message which is listening to 27017. Make sure you are having it.
God, oh God.
Right? All these things we have learned in the last class.
Do we have to connect that MongoDB connection which we installed just now? Not right?
I told you not to touch on that screen now.
Okay.
Just start MongoDB. Did you get this message, all of you?
Yes.
Claudia, you are?
Lost. Keep going then. You're fine.
Please do, please do. This is, you need these things. All right, now you go to the MongoDB and you have seen this particular one, and on the top you will see create, edit, remove, clone, and out of that click on create. And give a name to your connection, maybe your name. Name to your connection. Do not touch the below one. And you understand what does that mean. In your company, instead of localhost, you will be typing the MongoDB server name given by your admins. And they will give you the port that we cannot say, right? That they will give you when you are working in a company. You will ask the admins, what is the MongoDB server, MongoDB port, like Oracle and all. You will be typing that. But for now, for us, everything is running on the local host. So leave that thing empty and then click on save. And did you see the screen now? For me, the name is my Mongo. It will automatically come there, correct? And now you click on connect. There you go. You got a window in which it will automatically show you a browser where you will see, if you have practiced all my examples, the collection names. For example, inside this I have got the bytes collection, and you can double click that collection, right? And if you are seeing this black window, just make it enter. You can make it big. Okay, it cannot be dragged. And this is the place where you are going to type all your commands. And please see my screen one more time. db dot, please look at this. db dot, automatically it will give you, if you are familiar with Eclipse and all, how do you write programs, right? In a similar way, it will automatically help you. I never wanted to use it for that first 14 pages. That's why I did not tell you this in the last class. But I wanted you to practice that, and then you come to here so that you will become crystal clear on the concepts.
Maybe so we are getting error, fail
No,
to
you
refresh
won't get error.
collection.
You have to correct it. You have to correct whatever I told. MongoDB server you have to start. The port should be listening in 27017 in your command window. After that, you are going to create a connection. Do you have all these
Two
things?
connections. तो बंद कर.
No?
Two connections now. One is command and one is this.
Process order.
Connection open. It is already accepted the connection also.
Yeah, but when I do here,
You did not create any collection.
Okay.
How can you create a collection? So you didn't touch anything in MongoDB. No practice at all.
Practice.
we did.
Where is that collection then? Show me the collection. If you have done it, it will be available there. Where is
Yes.
it? Is it in MyDB?
Both in MyDB.
No such command list collections. There is nothing available inside that. Is it in Surya?
For that also it's giving same error because
तू
we
तिकडे
did it
प्रॅक्टिस मध्ये
separately.
तू कोणतं डेटाबेस नाव टाकलेलं?
Same.
It is same, I think.
Yeah.
Right? Okay,
It
close that
automatically
one.
populated.
Okay. Control C, and now /Mongo, waiting for the connections. Where is your Robo3T? Go to the spotlight. Again, don't go there. Okay,
Yeah.
just type Robo. That's it.
Mhm.
This is Mac. It is not there yet. I think it will take a little bit of time for the indexing.
Okay.
So if it is not there, you should go here. Where is it? You installed?
Yeah, just it installed. We saw that console also, right?
Open robot.
Localhost 27017. Connect. The connection is available now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you start Mongo? Command prompt Mongo.
Under.
Another terminal.
Another.
Another terminal. Right click. New window. Okay, now type cd MongoDB. You go to your MongoDB directory.
Where I am now.
You come.
Two.
Okay.
MongoDB tab.
MongoDB.
Tab. Keep on pressing tab.
Yeah, tab only.
Press tab. It is not coming. That means
It's
it is
coming
not there.
this.
221.
221, okay.
Oh, you press the tab, it is not filling.
Yeah.
Okay. And now cd bin.
CD bin.
Not access cd bin.
CD bin.
/ Mongo. Mongo. Enter. Okay. Show collections. Where is your database? Nothing is created.
Show
Okay,
DBs.
DBs. Okay. Now use SuryaDB.
Use SuryaDB.
Okay. All right. Show collections. Okay. DB dot bytes dot
Find
find in bracket 1.
one.
Just 1. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Just find. Enter. It's there.
So it's there.
So all the data is there.
All the data. Even in my DB also it's there.
Okay. Let us delete this. Delete that collection. Disconnect. Okay. And now this one. Okay. And I'm going to remove. Okay. And then create. Type is direct connection and give a name, sample or something, and 27017. What is this pressure? I think something is changed. Okay, now click on test, connected, and now click save, and now click on connect, and your databases are here.
Fail to refresh collection. I know.
Why it is showing? How about you? Anybody got it? Then there is some problem with this tool.
Oh.
More
Nobody's
powerful
getting-
J robot
We are not
try
getting-
robot.
I have
It
it.
is- You got it?
You already have it.
You got it.
I mean, I installed it again, but I saw that Vatsal Mongo was already.
Yeah, it's already.
So you can see the
Maybe
collections?
because of our version,
Yes.
our MongoDB version. That is why. Okay, let us do one thing. Go to applications. And then where is the Robo3T? All your installations will be here if you have installed.
Yeah, I know.
It has not yet come. Okay, where is that window where we have selected, double clicked?
It's in download folder. Find it.
No, that window where we have connected, right? That MongoDB, there is MongoDB and applications came, correct?
Oh, yeah.
And it's under MyDB. It's under
Robo3T.
local.
Yeah.
Why it is
Local
here?
collections.
Is that the new one that you just
Okay.
created, local?
And now, is it because of the permission, I think? Let us see. Now it is added.
See if
It
you see.
should be.
If you see here, everything is
Why you are not getting it inside?
Is that
It
under
should come here.
MyDB?
Robo.
Whatever you have, if you want database and use
RoboMongo.
No, RoboMongo is old. That is not available.
Robo3T, formerly RoboMongo.
That is Google, yeah. Look at it. It's not application, right? Applications.
it. Type DB
Where is it?
dot get.
There is some problem. I think just
capital.
move. I'll install.
Sure.
Can you please sit in the chair?
Sure.
Your why that installation is not coming into your RoboMongo? We dragged it here, right? Where is this thing? Okay.
What's the version that you have? Let me see.
This is what happened last time with Skype also. I was under the impression Skype is there.
There is some problem then.
2.2.1. Yours is
Hey, it is showing RoboMongo.
Robo3T.
Yeah, okay. Now it is there. Click open. Now connect. Okay, and then I think it is the version problem if it is not coming. Yes. So what we will do from the applications, I am going to move to Thrash. This is how you will uninstall in Mac. And then let us eject this one. Remove, eject. All right, and we will go to RoboMongo, Robo3T. Press enter. Okay, Robo3T, and then download the latest version. Where is the old versions? Download. What is this URL?
Ravi, Watson had downloaded 4.0.4.
Which one?
MongoDB.
MongoDB.
4 point.
Oh, you have installed MongoDB 4.0.
That is what Watson already had. I just checked the version right now, and I'm.
That is why. Okay, so let us do one thing. I will install one more MongoDB for you. Okay, MongoDB because 221 we need for some other purpose. So don't delete the 221. Okay, you can just download. How did we download? Okay, MongoDB solutions. Oh no, products. MongoDB server, and download the latest release 4.0. Right. It is version issue. That is why it is not coming. Okay. So go to the server and then click on the download. It is a tar file. Okay. And it is downloading. All right. So after downloading, what I am going to do, I am closing this one. Okay. CLARLS, and now, oh sorry. Okay. Now cp/downloads. Inside that, now you have the MongoDB 4. What version? MongoDB this one. OSX. No. OSX.
4.0.9
SSL tar. Right. To dot, and then tar xvf MongoDB OSX SSL. Okay, clear. Now there is another problem. There is no collections, right? CD MongoDB. What is that? This one. Okay, so let us move that name as move MongoDB/OSX x86 64-409 as MongoDB 409. Okay.
From the commands we can copy, I think, for the collections.
Huh? Oh, that is dangerous because you are copying from old version to new version. Correct? Sample JSON for Mongo. All right. So getting started, MongoDB manual, just take an example, right? This is how, okay, db.inventory.insert many, Control C, and then go to the MongoDB. First we have to start it, right? CD.
That's why it's installed in program files, right? For you.
Yes.
Yeah.
MongoDB 409 cd bin dot slash
Where is it installed for you? Where is it installed?
Mongo.
I copied that now in the local drive, C drive.
Since it is pointing to same/data, okay, let us see whether any luck is there or not. Okay. Oh, we have downloaded deleted that MongoDB also, right? Sorry, the Robo3T, right? Robo3T, and formerly RoboMongo, and then download Robo3T, download Robo3T, Mac, right? And then click. Okay, and then double click. Open this is there. Connect. See, it is not showing your collections, right?
Which on 4.0 version?
Which one?
This one, Robo3.
Yeah.
Connected to that.
Now it is connected, right? Okay, let me close this one. Okay, and then I will go to new window. Oh, you have Mongo already. I'm going to close this Mongo, and then I'm going to write /
No,
Mongo.
no,
Oh,
no.
Control C. It is in the other directory. CD Mongo 4, and then CD bin dot / Mongo. Okay. All right, and now let us copy this. Very good. So you created a collection now, right? And now let us go to Robo3T. Open and then connect.
Yeah.
Good. Collections. System. Local. Collections.
Which
Where is-
database it will go?
Let's see. Inventory.
Inventory.
And
Yes.
now you double
It
click.
automatically created.
Automatically
Yes,
it came. So it is the version problem, right?
Okay.
I don't know about install.
The old version of MongoDB is not supporting that list collections method. This is the first
Yeah.
time I'm facing it. Normally the other versions of Robo3T it will work. What happened?
I don't
Sit there.
downloaded this.
What's that?
Downloaded the
Which one?
latest version MongoDB.
You installed?
Yeah. No, not installed.
Why you are running the service?
So no need to run the service.
Program files MongoDB server 4.0 / data. Install MongoDB as a service. You want to then whenever you start your Windows, it will start.
Created here.
Okay.
The
You don't need
test
it, right?
Database
Next.
automatically.
Next. Install.
Don't talk, it's recording.
You are clear now, right?
Actually, they should have kept old version also, right? Robo3, they kept only one latest version.
It will be there somewhere. You have to search. Where was the old MongoDB? Program files.
It's in C drive.
Program files?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
No, C drive.
Okay. This will be in the program files, I think.
Yeah, this is it.
Let's see.
Because we are running as a
And your Robo3T is still there, right? Claudia, are you there?
Just downloaded.
The 4.0. Okay.
But Robo3T port number, how it will connect here?
What?
The Robo3T port.
By
number.
default, it is 27017, right?
Yeah, but how it is it? How it's taking that 27 and
It is written inside the configuration. You can change if you want. There is a command. Just search MongoDB -- port different. But you are not running anything now, right?
uh-huh.
Why it is taking this much time?
Ravi, if I don't have 2.1 version, should I
No
have
problem,
that?
but you add it when you go home. We
Okay.
need it one more class.
Okay.
Okay? Just to take it, okay? Let us do. Now the next thing that you need to do, please look at my screen, okay? So all of your MongoDB and everything is working, right? Now, what I want you to do, open your browser, forourson.com/passion, all lowercase. Download the file called mt.tar, 2 letters, MT. M for mango, T for Thailand. mt.tar. Please download it. Okay? Did you download? Saved it? Now you start your virtual machine. Please start your virtual machine. I'll explain what we are doing. Please start your virtual machine because your Java 7 and everything is installed onto the virtual machine. If I am installing it on your local machine, it will take another half an hour, 1 hour. We don't go for that. Okay, so just start that one. If you are familiar with Java and if you have Maven, Ant, all these things installed on your local machine, you can continue. But I don't think that any of you have it, right? Just you have Java, correct?
Local machine.
Yeah. We installed Hadoop.
Cancel. Pardon? Did
I-
you change the network adapter?
Yeah, that's it. No, I'm saying that I can do this on my local machine because I installed Java and also have Hadoop installed on the local machine.
How about Ant? Or build tool?
Build.xml, yeah.
Concept 1, concept 2. You can very easily install if you know how to install Java thing. Ant will come, that's the tar file. Put it into one directory. Add it into the path just like Hadoop path was added
Profile.
in the profile. That's all. It should not take that much time. Okay, leave it. Is there any other window came in? Like admin, it is waiting for. No. Okay, it is not asking anything, right? In Windows 10, it should ask. Okay. What you are doing, Sheetal?
I'm waiting for the VM to start up.
Okay. You started the VM, Claudia?
I just installed, but I did not start the VM yet.
Okay. You please install that MongoDB for.
Yeah, I just did that.
Did you download empty.tar? Okay. After the virtual machine is started, how will you move a file from your local to virtual machine?
FileZilla.
FileZilla. Or open the browser in the virtual machine and download empty.tar one more time.
Yeah.
Anything, whichever is convenient.
Yeah.
Done?
It's
Okay. The other one done? I think it is done. Correct? No.
You want me to cancel and do?
No, it should not do that. forwardsun.com/passion empty.tar. What happened?
So I downloaded, I unzipped, and
Oh, you are typing the command in the command prompt. You didn't start MongoDB.
no, not yet.
/MongoDB. /MongoDB. That's it. Now it is started. And now
Now,
open the virtual machine. Right? empty.tar. Did you download?
Yes.
That is fast. I'm still downloading.
Oh, is
But
it?
download should be fast, irrespective. That's it, depending upon internet, right? Okay. How will you extract a tar file?
Tar XVF.
Okay, before that, go to your
CF.
passion bytes directory where you are keeping all your code. CD passion bytes. How will you move the file to that passion bytes directory? What is the command? mv ~download/empty.tar to dot. Do it.
Extract.
Oh,
Tar XVF.
yeah, please do. Oh, now perfect.
If it's .gz. डॉट नहीं दिया था
डॉट की
ए,
Extracted?
yeah
Tar XVF, correct?
empty dot tar
Correct. What do you got? You will get a directory. Do an ls after extracting.
What's the command?
mongo try mongo
Tar space XVF. Never forget, Sheetal. That is very, very important command.
I didn't do that because
Acha,
MongoDB was already installed. So
This is not MongoDB, it is my code.
no. The tar file, I never unzipped it code. Double zero please.
You never understand
No.
what do you mean.
how
We did for the
Hadoop command, all the concept one, concept two,
so
everything
what
we
it will
unzip.
overwrite no?
the, the
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 work,
map
Start.
reduce programs and all.
work
Yeah.
file we did, right?
Second
Work
one.
one.
Label.
Tar
XVF.
XVF, name of the file.
File.
What is the name of the file?
Repeat
Empty.tar
Yeah.
space enter.
Okay.
So you will see it is extracting, correct?
Yes.
And are you seeing in the when you are extracting, it will tell you which directory it is extracting. Mongo Twitter,
Yeah. Yes.
CD, Mongo Twitter. Okay. Now tell me what is the IP of your Mac, not virtual machine. What is the IP of your Mac? And for you, what is IP of your Windows? You have to open the command prompt and type the command ipconfig, correct. If it is Linux or your virtual machine, what is the command you will type? ifconfig, correct. Claudio,
Where did we want the MT extracted to?
passion bytes. There is a passion bytes directory where you put all the code, right?
Gotcha.
Right,
Okay.
yeah. Got it? Huh?
Find it.
I didn't want you to find the IP of this. I told IP of your host, which is the Windows.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. How many yes? Done? Done? Suresh, waiting for you. What happened?
I'm just trying to scroll up
Huh? Dear friend, understand? This is Mac, right? Huh?
I know.
Why are you scrolling?
We are
like
running.
so? Okay. All is getting recorded, huh? Your scroll is
I know,
not
I-
getting recorded. I
I know.
wanted that. Write down.
10.1.10.147
Array, write it down to make a mistake. Otherwise, what is the number?
10.1.10.147
10.1.10.147.
10.147
Okay.
Mine is 127.
Huh? You have to write it down somewhere. Maybe use a paper. I want that value. Okay. I'm not intentionally showing you. If I show, I know everything. You will listen like this and you will go. Right? I want you to do. Now, come to your virtual machine. Open that particular directory CD, Mongo Twitter. Do an ls. You have a build.xml there. You have a source there. And do you see any comparison with what we have done earlier? Our concept one, map reduce, everything we have done, right?
in Mongo Twitter it's in code CD code
Okay, go to CD code, sorry.
build.xml.
Go to CD code. Claudia, you have to ask me, otherwise I won't know where you're stuck. Please let me know. What happened?
Okay.
Where are you? Did you extract?
I extract, no, so
Did you download the
I
file?
downloaded the MT.
And then now the command is tar xvf empty.tar.
Yes, I just put it wrong directory.
Okay.
I'm just slow.
Alright. No problem. You can do it, right? And tar xvf?
Yes.
So which
Alright.
directory we have to copy that one?
Passion bytes. Where is
Passion
our
bytes
code,
only,
right?
Oh,
So inside the passion bytes, you copy it and then tar xvf.
okay.
Okay. Inside the code, how many files are there?
3.
What are they?
Build.xml, lib, and src.
Very good. That is what we want, right? Now you go to cd src. Yes? What is that? Com?
Yes.
No com? But there is a Mongo Twitter.java or something?
My Twitter.
My Twitter.
Twitter.java.
Okay, open vi my Twitter.java. No, come out. Escape. Escape. Yeah, escape. Shift
Escape.
CC. Okay. vi main.java. Capital M. Tab. Tab.
Main1.java or main.java?
Main.java. Enter. All right, beautiful. Come out. Escape. Shift CC. Yeah, you also fine. Vi my Twitter.java. Please scroll down slowly. No, not here. Oh, wait. Where is that code? I forgot. Yeah. You will see Mongo client equal to new Mongo client. Did you find out that line? Hello.
Yeah.
Look, Suresh.
Yeah.
Okay, find out that line. Localhost means what? It will connect to virtual machine itself, but where is your Mongo running? Localhost or your host system?
So put the IP over
In your host system, put that IP without any mistake, without any space, in between the quotes where that localhost is there. You have to type A if you want to type anything in VI editor.
I.
I or A? I stands for
insert. 10.1.10.147.
all right. Escape, shift. Okay, Q, right. And now go back to the directory where your main is or build.xml is there. One level up. cd dot dot. ls. Make sure build.xml is there. And how will you know what you need to execute? If you open build.xml, you will see what is the target name. And the target name is for running the mytwitter.java. The name of the target is, see, mytwitter.java will be executed by a target called Twitter. See, Twitter. Then mytwitter.java will be executed. That is how you will find out what you need to execute. Okay, wait a minute. Right, type and you don't do it now. Okay, please don't do it. 1 minute. And space. Okay, your MongoDB is running.
On localhost.
In localhost, MongoDB is running. That means in 10.1.10.47, 147.
It's running, right?
Is it running?
Close the command.
Yes,
See?
it's running.
Here.
Can you check? Is it running? Make sure it is running. Yeah, it is running.
It's running.
It is running. And MongoD is running, correct? Type and space Twitter. I will tell you, Suresh. No problem. And Twitter. Twitter. You understood why you are writing Twitter?
Yeah.
Because in that
Target.
build.xml that is a target. And
Target.
press enter. And wait a minute and enjoy. What is happening? Connection refused. You are not able to ping it. Can you do the ping? Why you did not start your virtual machine again? 10.1.10.147. Enter.
It's pinging.
Again you open the code then. Control C. VI. So you have to go to source. CD src. VI.
VI build or
No, VI mytwitter.java. Press enter.
10.1.10.147.
Why it is telling it is not able to connect? Show me the IP one more time. Okay. What is this IP? What is this IP? Type ipconfig. Come out. Okay, type ifconfig. Enter.
Can you do ls on the downloads? CD downloads.
10.1.10.40.
But why it is not showing an IP here?
It does like sometimes like that. I have also usually verify
And you
from
are able to.
ifconfig. Yeah, I'm able to browse.
Okay. What is this number?
Decaf.
10 dot.
1.10.40.
And what is your IP?
147.
47.
Yeah, it is all perfect then. Okay. So now you ping it. Ping. Where is that ping? Okay. The only thing then that can happen is just go back right shift and go to your Mongo server, MongoDB server. MongoDB server. This is Mongo
Server,
client.
This is client server.
Okay.
Here.
This is. Shall I exit from this?
No.
CD.
This is the old one.
Huh?
What out?
Not old, right? No, just the
Do one thing.
PWD.
Go to the old one. CD. Dot dot. CD.
Yeah, this is a new one.
CD.
CD code.
MongoDB 221, right? And then CD bin and then dot slash MongoD. Okay, perfect. Because this is in 27017, right? And now you are in the source folder. Go one level up and then type and Twitter. Perfect. So it was the version issues. I am using Mongo client in my code, which is for older
To
version.
your IP.
Understand?
Okay.
That is why early
And we had the new Mongo.
new MongoDB
started.
it is not compatible. That I can
Oh.
change later.
Oh,
Okay, that's
so
not
it's
a
vice versa happened.
All right. It has corrected 191 tricks and everything has been logged into this particular screen, as you can see, right?
Okay.
Everything has logged in there and it has created twitter.1, right? I am going to connect from my machine to your MongoDB. Okay?
Old one.
Mine is old one, right?
Yours old
My
one,
Robo
yeah.
Mongo. Okay, so please listen.
So we don't need Robo anymore.
I wanted to show you something. You need the Robo Mongo. Okay? Okay, well, give me new connection. I'm going to create a new connection. I will come to you, Suresh, don't worry. Connection, and then I'm going to write, let's say, sample. What is your IP? Just now you told 10.1.10.147 and 27017 is the port. See how I am connecting. This is how you will do in companies. From here you are connecting to his machine, okay? And then save, and then after that connect. And you can see inside this particular
yes.
connection, I don't know whether you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
My DB is there, and collection is there, and bytes is, oh sorry,
You're right.
yeah, bytes is there, and then Twitter is automatically created, and inside the collections it has created tweets, and I am going to double click on this particular tweets, and I am going to search, and please look at this. Passion Bytes tweeted, fantastic, yet another batch of Hadoop and Spark, excited. Samiksha, Surya, Sheetal, Suresh and Claudia, thank you for joining. How did it come? I tweeted. Remember, I was
tweeted.
using my phone and I was tweeting, and I tweeted through my mobile phone into the Twitter. If you look at my Twitter and if you look at the messages that I tweeted, you will see that particular message. Just now I have
So it is
tweeted.
recording the line.
Now in that MongoDB, what I have done is I have written the program to connect to the Twitter, bring it, put it into a MongoDB collection. Why? Because Twitter gives you JSON. And that came into MongoDB. Now you can do sentiment analysis on this particular data. Got it? This is a project of its own. Social analyzer is the job role. Looking at the Twitter messages in your program and then doing analysis. Now you can take that data and run a MapReduce. Find out how many people told good about your company, bad about your company. So when you're searching for a job, make sure that you are putting this in your resume. Connecting to Twitter and loading it into MongoDB. That's what we have done. Don't worry about version and all.
So my Twitter.java has all the configuration.
Everything is there. But unfortunately, that code is for 221. That's why you start 221 and execute it. It will run. Now you can run Sheetal. Why I told you not to run is if 2 or 3 people are using my same ID, my credentials are hard coded inside that.
I see.
What will happen? Twitter will block you.
Oh.
Okay? That's why I told that do it later. And when you are running, don't run tuck, 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 tuck. It will be blocked. It will be locked. So if you run once, don't run it up for 1 hour or something like that.
Okay.
Okay?
So
Now-
Ravi, so we connected to the real Twitter
Yes,
database.
yes, absolutely.
So is it like feasible to share the real database of Twitter?
Absolutely. That is what Twitter is
Anybody
giving
can
you.
have access.
Huh?
So it's his,
So-
his
That
Twitter
is a problem.
account.
I will tell you how to get the access and all. That is a lengthy process. You have to apply for a Twitter API key.
Oh.
And once you get that API key, then you can use it in my program. And open my Twitter.java, you will see consumer key and consumer secret.
Oh.
That's my key.
But that's just your account.
Yes,
that gets
absolutely.
downloaded.
So whatever I type in Passion Bytes, if I use that, so assume that I have a company, let's say Patel Brothers, and there is a tweet and every people is tweeting. You will write a program, you will connect it and you will generate the analysis of it. Right? Why 192.168? Why? It will never be 192.168.1. That means there is a problem. Huh? No, that is not the IPv4. It should be 10 dot.
So then what was the change that was made in
Where did you connect?
XML?
Where is your
Localhost.
Put the
That
IP.
was on my
IP.
Twitter.
You are
That's
not
on my
connected.
Twitter, no?
Are you connected?
So in
No,
build,
build.xml,
wait,
just
wait,
go
wait.
and see what is the target name. So he just showed that the
Oh.
target
You're
name is
using the
Twitter.
virtual
That's why we
machine
will
IP
write
address
and
is-
Twitter,
see,
it
not the
should be like
program
that
name.
for your Windows.
Okay,
Oh,
10.1.10.63. That's correct. Now
Program
what is
name
your
is
Windows
class
one?
name
Target
is my
name
Twitter,
Twitter.
but the target name is Twitter, which we will use while using the and
Oh, okay. So and Twitter.
and Twitter.
and Twitter.
That is what you should do. It will never be 10. Okay. You should write ipconfig all, and now you will see the 10 dot value. Look at that 10 dot. This is no, that's gateway.
default gateway.
10.1.10.62.
Did you install it?
That is your IP. And what is the IP for this?
10.1.
Can you please write? That is 63. What is this one? This is 10.1.10.62. 10.62. And what is your this IP? 63. Okay. Now you see, I am going to write here. 10.1.10.62. Okay. Escape. Shift is set. And let us check. Ping it. 10.1.10.62. I should be able to ping. See, it is pinging, right? Now make sure that MongoDB-221 is running on your Windows. Is it running?
I just want to close that one.
Okay, where is it? This is
C
Hadoop.
drive.
Huh?
C drive, I will.
No problem. C drive. MongoDB-221,
So now
and then
you
go to bin,
connect.
and then
Mongo
MongoDB.
guard.
Mongo, where is it? Right? And then run.
How did you get the tweet?
So?
order over here? Do you connect?
It should
your-
tell you it
Yeah,
is listening on
he
27017.
To
New-
my
new
machine.
connection,
Yeah,
right?
new
Oh,
connection.
is it 4.12?
But I
What
should
version it
already
is?
But how-
have mine, right?
This is 2.1.
But how we
Okay.
would connect to
Okay,
this?
wait.
He'll have to send a request to your
Very,
IP.
very slow. Are you running a
No,
lot of processes?
but
Actually,
if
completely
I
dedicated
build
for
the
only this
file,
one.
right? Then I
Actually,
should
in
already have a
this
collection
one is
called
installing, right?
Twitter.
I don't know, still.
But
Because it's
for-
on the
okay, we can kill
same
it.
IP address.
You know what to
No,
do, right?
you recorded your IP address, right?
Mhm.
So he will connect from his laptop
Mm.
to your IP.
This one already.
We
And then
can't
you will
see
see
it
that
on
we cannot
What?
see, like even
27017.
over
right?
here.
Yeah.
I
Now what you need to
think
do is go to one directory up where the ant file build.xml is there
Mhm.
and type ant.
Let's see.
Twitter,
Twitter done.
right?
Yeah, so in my case, in my console, I'm not able to see that.
Okay, it has downloaded and pushed into
System.
MongoDB.
So-
How will you know? Start Mongo, correct?
Yeah.
So insert this one, start Mongo, click on run,
It's
Okay.
just tweets.
show
No,
databases,
What will happen is,
Twitter.
Twitter also.
Okay,
once
use
he connects to
Twitter.
your machine, to
That
your
means you are
IP,
inside the Twitter now.
Yeah, we-
Show
one more
yeah,
server
you
added
did
there,
that
right?
and
the
Twitter.
database will contain collections, right?
Yeah.
Tweets.
So then in that case,
Now
he'll
how will you
see
find out all the tweets?
your database name
DB
over there,
dot
and I think
tweets
after that he'll see
dot
the another Twitter
Correct.
in your database only.
Right.
There will be two databases. One is for your and one will
And
be the
if you
Twitter
take
database.
top,
Will
But
you will see my message.
we did the build. And the connection.
Yet another batch of Hadoop exciters, Amisha, Surya,
Why is
Shekhar.
it not there on our?
Got it?
So
Ah.
I finished the bill.
Ah.
I was just asking him that how do we see the Twitter collection? Like I see that
You
Twitter
did not
collection.
practice that? Huh? Wait, this will not work with version
New
2.
version.
It will work with only version 4.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
You have version 4,
Yeah.
but my code will not work with version 4. My code is
Ah.
compatible with old code.
Okay.
So
okay.
if version 2 is there, Suresh, can you please show so that you can do it in the home?
Okay.
See, he downloaded the tweets and he is seeing that particular message. Okay, Claudia, where are you?
So
You downloaded tweets.
First one we show DBS. It's there. Local test and Twitter also. Straight to the Twitter also.
this is
Okay.
MongoDB, right?
What did you
So,
do?
okay,
Tell
let
me.
me see.
Your
MongoDB.
virtual machine is running?
When it's
Yes.
executed,
Okay.
And that is
Your
221 version,
your
right?
MongoDB
MongoDB.
221 is running. Last class
it's
221.
221.
So even you should see
Before
that.
all this.
No, it's 4.1.
I-
Oh, yours
version
is
is
4.04.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have installed both?
Do you
Okay, I'm
have another
stopping this.
version?
No, I
221
didn't
also?
download that.
What is
I didn't
this?
download
This
the
is
other version
four.
because I
I
thought
don't
that I
want
already had this.
Okay.
Okay. Where is the
So
MongoDB
how
221?
did
Where is it?
So show DBS means it show the what are the connections are there, right? All the connections.
Oh, yeah, this one, right?
So then,
So I'm going to change that one.
Connected
Instead of
to the
writing that
Twitter.
log name,
Twitter
MongoDB,
so use
MongoDB,
Use Twitter
OS.
means you are
Oh,
logged into
using
the
that
schema.
collection.
That's
Okay.
So after running and Twitter, you got this Twitter database created, right?
MongoDB.
So after that one, you have to connect to that.
So if you have time, even if you quickly install 221, don't create any new database
MongoDB.
and just do that and Twitter.
MongoDB.
You'll have to copy
After
mp.tr.
that. But are you able to see this in the Robo3T?
Robo3T?
No.
No, because
No,
Robo3T
only
version
four.
is
Only 4.1.
is only for 4.0. So there are two limitations. 4.0 is compatible with the Robo3T version, but Robo3T version is not compatible with our MongoDB
If you want to say
2.2.
front
Now,
end,
did you
Yes.
go to the 4.0.
Okay.
You want to say only back.
So that is running right.
No,
Now,
but
did you
if
download
I
that
have
file
the front end, but I
in
don't have the
virtual
data
machine?
then to
Yeah,
see.
true.
Your virtual machine is started? Okay.
So you are already used Twitter.
Where is it? Yeah, right.
This
So,
Twitter is here.
if
Connect
we-
now, it's, connect
Can you
to
do
Twitter.
db.bytes.find
Yeah.
bracket, we'll see how to be.
db.tweets.find.
Oh, it's
So
tweets?
Tweets is the
Our son.
say the one and like just a table name is there, right? The table name is there. It is tweets.
So it will just list the tweets.
Exactly.
And do
So can you enter?
do dot pretty. Dot pretty.
You know the reason why I told you to do
Yeah.
the virtual machine?
Fine.
Because Java and
Dot
everything
pretty.
is packaged inside.
Do dot
Otherwise it is very
Pretty.
difficult for us to install it.
Oh, you-
Okay?
you want to
So
see the
empty
column
dot
and
tar.
and
everything, yeah.
brackets.
Pretty.
Brackets.
Click
Yeah,
OK.
the column wise you want to see
Now-
all.
I told you to go to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where is shows for pretty?
No, it will format
You
your
did it.
data instead of
You
showing
code, you did it.
Oh,
on the-
pretty is a
Now
formatting.
what I did
Is a
is-
formatting tool. A
See
formatting
inside the
format.
code, go to the
extension.
source, right? bi my Twitter dot Java. Your MongoDB is running on your Mac, right?
Wow.
With this port. Remember we started the MongoDB?
Which is the
221?
screen? This is
Now what
this
we
is
are
the
going
one
to
that.
do, we are connecting to
This
the
is the
machine.
message we got.
Whatever.
So this is all tweets,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Now you go there and then
One
type
second, let me
and
read.
Twitter.
Oh,
That's all.
where did you go?
So it will connect to the Twitter using my ID and credentials.
This one?
It will bring all my tweets and will put it into your MongoDB.
Okay,
Okay,
chatting
so-
with
And Twitter.
Amazon guy. Okay.
Okay. This is the problem that I told you, that 10.1.10 unknown host exception. Why unknown host exception?
Every time if we are running, so new thing will
Yeah,
come.
it shows name also of the person who has messaged. Cool, yeah?
This
You
is
have
the
already
IP
worked,
of
right?
this
MongoDB.
machine.
I have not done what's the result.
Claudia, I told
Vatsal
you
is
to find
using
out
his new
where
company.
MongoDB is running.
He has
Where is
MongoDB in
MongoDB
new
running?
company.
In your virtual
No.
machine
The
or
company
in your
which
Mac?
he's working.
Mac,
No.
right?
No?
He may, because it depends on project.
Yeah.
It's like, I kept doing
So
it.
you had
Interesting.
221 on yours?
I have 221.
So you would be able to do
Then
that
I would be
same
able to
thing?
see the show DBS if I do.
Never
Then I think I should be able to
doing
see.
Yeah,
That is
so
Windows.
DBS.
Oh, see,
That's it.
okay.
So, this is
Yes.
10.1.10.2.
Show
You
DBS.
have
It shows Twitter.
Never take 10.1.10.255 and 1. That is gateway. Right?
So DB
Now,
dot
what you need to do, go back to
tweets.
this particular code. Right? vi src slash my Twitter dot java, and what IP that you need to write? 10.1 dot, that is your Mac. 10.1 dot 10 dot. So you could have 5 digits. How can the IP be 5 digits?
Did you get
10.1
tweet
dot
over
10
there
dot
in
No.
show DBS?
20.
I am doing
That's
DB
right.
dot tweets, na?
Then you
But
type
did you
and
see in show DBS, did you see that tweet?
I saw Twitter,
Twitter.
Now
right?
Okay.
come back to your
How do you
Mac.
Oh, so
see
use
it?
Right.
Twitter. Sorry. Use
Go
Twitter.
to, where is the MongoDB? 221.
Now I think I would be able
How
to
do
see.
you see a list of all the
Tweets dot
This is
find.
directory.
like
The full one, that's the.
within the collection,
Huh?
what all documents are there? Like tweet is one of the tables,
Where?
right? How do you see a list of
Or
all the
MongoDB 221, where?
No, in that one, all fields you can see here only, right?
No, this
Right.
window.
Now, how
ID
did
and
you,
everything.
how did you find that there's
Downloads.
a table
You,
for
why are
tweets?
you doing all
You
these
find
things?
that one.
Downloads.
Then we can
You are not knowing where you are doing it.
When you do
DB dot
show,
find.
MongoDB, put it in
DB dot find
downloads.
it's not show actually, yeah.
Right? MongoDB 221. You will bring it to a good directory. Okay? CD, B.
I got you, I got you.
Mongo, because the server is running. And once you are starting Mongo, and then let us look at show DBs. See?
DB dot find.
From there, it downloaded all of them. And now use Twitter. Right?
try
And
show
then-
collections.
db dot tweets dot find all the tweets from the Twitter. And if you come to the beginning,
Yeah, you're right.
you will see.
Mhm.
See, it is given all already. Already 3 tweets came
System
after
dot
I tweeted.
indexes and tweets.
Fantastic to get another batch of Hadoop, and this one location Florida, Claudia, all these things are coming. This is my tweet.
What is system dot
Is this the
indexes?
same thing, like just use that schema? And then that's essentially.
Yeah, inside the
Okay.
schema, this is the name of the collection. Remember in the last class I
So
told
the
you
Twitter is
document
the
contains.
database.
Sorry. A
This is the
database
collection.
contains document.
This is the
Document is the
collection.
schema. Document contains.
What
collection.
was the output
Collection name
after
is
show
tweets.
collection?
And where did I create that
Show
collection?
collections.
see,
I
system
created
indexes.
that
System dot
collection.
indexes.
And tweets.
So for me, it is showing different output for show collections.
I'm creating
Did
a
you do
collection called
use
tweets.
Yeah. Use
So,
Twitter.
Programmatically, like
So
in
all
any show,
different
when you are installing a job, you will create a
You're
table
getting
in Oracle and you will
Actually, it's
insert it.
error with code.
Exactly that. But I did it programmatically. Okay. Now be careful. You have to shut down the client and
So
then
what
the
is
server.
system dot indexes?
And then the virtual machine.
DB.
Shidal, is it clear?
Yes,
Very clear?
yes. I just have to download 221 and then
And
I
then
will see it.
you will get it.
Yes.
Okay. Remember to put the port correctly
Where?
in the mytwitter.java.
Oh yeah. Local.
The port
yes,
in which it
yes,
is connected,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You are clear?
That's a mistake.
Yeah.
Right? That's a mistake that you did,
Yeah.
correct? Everything is fine. So one more class, we have to use 221. So RoboMongo only for if you want a UI, use that RoboMongo with 4 version. But remaining all my programs use Mongo 221. There is no change in the concept or code. Okay, only version changes. We need to adjust the tools depending upon the version. That's all. Okay. that is also a good this thing for me. I will change the empty.jar for the next.
So every collection, the system.index is there, right?
Yeah,
It will be
metadata.
Metadata is there.
What is table space in Oracle? Information schema in MySQL. The metadata is system.index, whatever you are saying. Okay? Every collection will have system.index.
The one key
Okay.
and the ID of that one.
You switch off the
Interface
recording?
name with the